The message I want to deliver in this video, when you're DIYing your French drain system, you only want to handle the dirt once. I'm seeing too many people in their pictures where they wheelbarrow the dirt and they got this pile at the bottom of the driveway. That's the cardinal sin in earth moving. I'm telling you, as an excavator, you do not handle dirt twice. So once you get it out of your French drain trench and it's in your wheelbarrow, you want to take it up a ramp. It could be a 2x10, whatever, into a utility trailer. Handle that dirt one time. Maybe you want to relocate it on your property. Everybody always says, oh, I'm going to need this dirt. I'm going to put a pile of dirt right here. And then that way I could just take a couple wheelbarrows whenever I need it. And then it gets compacted and you can't dig that dirt anymore. It's not loose anymore. So the short of it is, everybody, handle the dirt once. Be really, really smart about it. You're going to cut down on your labor tremendously. All right, everybody. Until that next video.